So I wanted to ask, how did you get started on this journey? Because I know that you used to work in a different kind of industry where you were actually doing kind of the exact opposite.
Yeah.
You were predicting people's deaths.
It's interesting. All the good anti-aging research, all the good longevity research is coming full circle. It's coming back to the basics.
Yeah.
Like the further we just get away from the basics, sunlight, earth, oxygen, the further we get away from those basics, vitamin D3, then the less healthy we become. And then we start searching for health in like cans and bottles and pills and chemicals and synthetics and pharmaceuticals. And that's not ever where you're going to find optimal health. No. God gave us everything that we need to thrive. Contacting the surface of the earth, first light in the morning, breath work, those are your basics. Yep. Those are just your go-tos. Human beings, we respond very well to light. We also respond very well to discharging into the earth or using a PEMF mat. For 22 years, I was a mortality researcher for the insurance industry. We were charged with predicting death to the month. People are not dying because they're missing some rare Amazon root, or some special supplement. People are dying early because they've gotten so disconnected from Mother Nature. They've gotten so disconnected from the basics. Sedentary lifestyle is the leading cause of all-cause mortality. Aging is the aggressive pursuit of comfort. You got to stop telling grandma not to go outside, it's too hot, not to go outside, it's too cold. When I do this 4 corners exercise in the morning, if it's raining, I'm out here. If it's hot, I'm out here. If it's cold, I'm out here. I just deal with it.